Dito kami ngayon sa madilim. Gabi. Udah kamon. Udah kam. Gabi na. Anong oras na?
إذا حليب تاخذ قهوة فتاخذي قهوة على ذوق.
May mga tao. Kasama ko si Huda. Huda, say hi. Say hi. Naglalaro.
Look, it's a gummy bear. It's a gummy bear.
Dami.
Gummy bear. Gummy bear.
You put
Bears?
give me, do like this, Huda. That's the real way of playing this one. Bring the spoon, the fork. Give me the fork. Yeah, like this. We play like this. Like this, and then you do turn upside down. Then it will be gummy bear. Same gummy bear.
Open.
Open now. Look. Oh, look. I told you. I told you. The other one. Bring the cake toy. Yeah, the jelly. I don't know, jelly or yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, the other one, the crabs. Crabs.
No, I don't have crab.
What's that?
The car.
The car.
I need crab.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Enough. This one, enough. Go.
ودي أدز من ورا صح؟ صح كذي ناسي.
Look, not. Look.
أدزي فرنة من ورا؟ لا. طيح بعدين بالماي ما عندها ملابس. هلو.
Don't go. Come on. Don't go with Huda. Stay here. You want Asra? Asra want to go alone, walking. Go walking, Asra. Zen hada camera tara, filet. Yani automatic. Hada honor. Automatic and sino Bilal? Yani makulit ka, gayot lang. Mashallah. Zen sa? Mashallah. Come here. Don't go, Huda, don't go. Aksan ana mayiji has indi ana iji hada mais makalam sa? Kan ana mumujud minni isma.
أسرع بيرو. أنا سمعتي أنا دي أنت وأنا بسوي شهق ماما.
ليش هذا أسرع بروها. Huda, come here. Don't go to the water. Purna.
ما أسرع حتى راجل. أمبي ada شنو هذا جاس؟ ada شنو هذا؟
ما هذا شنو؟ Ano ba sawi? 5 minutes. Yala, kalam.
Hello.
Hindi ka. Wala ka dito.
هذا شنو؟ ما أسرع حتى راجل.
أنا أقول إن في ناس مقدمة مع اسم كلام ترى بس عند أنا ما اسم كلام. You eat what? Here.
No one. There's no one.
Yala, I will wait. Don't like? You don't like to ride the train? Yan lang, play. Tingnan nyo, ang bata dito. Gabing-gabi naglalaro. Naglalaro ng buhangin. Gabing-gabi. Ang Lola Huda. Yan. Bye everyone. Patayin ko na to. Say bye.
Hi.
Yan. Yan na. Thank Hmm? Sino? So, bukas uuwi na kami. Last day, last night dito. Bukas uwi na kami. Hello, anak. Ayun yung buwan. Bilog-bilog na buwan. Tapos, ayun naman si Purna. Ewan ko anong ginagawa. Anong ginagawa ni Purna. Nakaupo sa may tubig. Inte yipti ha.